Hey, løjse. Det her, det er par 3, tror jeg. 2 eller 3. Jeg skal og sidste gang, der var vi i Dragon Reach, hvor jeg lige stoppede, fordi vi snakkede med noget Magen. Nu er jeg lige til Jørgen Vaskar, så fik jeg hende her, fordi jeg så hende. Jeg gider ikke have en Nightvision. Og nu synes jeg, vi skal ned og snakke med ham der, hvad hedder han? Kotlak. Hvad fanden er det? Hvad er det her? Hvad laver du? Jamen, jeg ikke kunne finde nogen hund. Det irriterer mig sådan lidt. Jeg vil rigtig gerne have en hund. Jeg skal ned og Bodil. Bent Bodil. Jeg skal bare finde ham der, hvad hedder han? Hvad han hedder? Kotlak Whitemane, tror jeg han hedder. Så fik jeg lavet noget læderarmor. Ja. Læderarmor. Ja.
But I still hear the call of the flock.
We all do. It is our burden to bear. But we can overcome.
You have my brother and I, obviously. But
A stranger, would you now? Here. Yes, perhaps.
Okay.
A certain strength of spirit.
Yes.
Master, you're not truly considering accepting him.
Fuck dig, mand.
I am nobody's master.
Skal snart.
We have some implements in your basket for those with a fire burning in their hearts.
Apologies. But perhaps this isn't the time. I've never even heard of this outsider.
Sometimes the famous come to us. Sometimes men and women come to us to seek their fame. It makes no difference. What matters is their heart.
Hvad laver der, mand?
And their arm.
Of course. How are you in battle, boy?
How dare you call to my skill? I can handle myself.
That may be so. This is Vilkas. He will test your arm. Vilkas, take him out to the yard and see what he can do.
Nej. Det er røven, for fanden. Fight, bitch. Wanna fight? Wanna fight? Hurtigere. Hurtigere. Langsomt. Gå nu væk, for fanden. Ej. Krog. Jesus Christ. Jeg uploadede sådan dagligt sådan en video om dagen. 1-2 videoer om dagen. Lige der kører den bare på Skype. Sådan kører cheat. Hvad fanden laver I? Det er bare talt og drops eller hvad? Hvad sagde du?
I've got a bad grip on my shield. Would you take a look at it?
I'm a warrior, not a blacksmith.
You
Need something?
grip is bad.
If Aorlan made it, it's more likely you're... Find me tomorrow and we can go over it.
Jeg har bare uploadet, jeg har bare recordet fuldstændig. Jeg har bare spammet min iPhone totalt. Jeg optager min iPhone, og den klarer det godt nok. Bortset fra, at den har bare ikke holdt så meget. Så lige nu, det er, altså, imens jeg uploader, nej, glem det. Jeg har sådan uploadet, så glem hvad jeg sagde. Hvad fanden skal vi nu? Fight, bitch. Han ser sej ud.
The old man said to have a look at you.
Helix. Vilkas.
Let's do this.
De brødre.
Just have a few swings at me so I can see your form. Don't worry, I can take it.
Okay. Hvad smadrer der?
Good arm you have there. Not bad. Next time won't be so easy.
Jo, det var det. Det ville det.
You might just make it. But for now, you're still a whelp to us, new blood. So you do what we tell you.
Fandme nej.
Here's my sword. Go take it up to Jorland and have it sharpened.
Nej.
And be careful. It's probably worth more than you are.
What a dick. Nå, kan man bare komme ind. Sikkert er nyt. Okay, så der er jo...
What brings you here?
Ja, mamma.
I'm guessing you're the newcomer. Oh, don't worry. Don't always just do what you're told. Nobody rules anybody in the companions. Well, I'm not sure how they've managed it, but they have. Kodlak is the Harbinger, and he's a sort of advisor for the whole group. Yep, not actually a companion myself. My name is Jorland Greymane. I work the Skype. I have a favor to ask.
What is
I've
it?
been working on a shield. My wife is in mourning, and I need to get back to her soon. I'd be much obliged if you could take this with me. That's a good man.
Ja, jeg er ikke nogen mand. En kat. Vi ses.
You're new here. I don't trust them new.
Wanna fight, bitch? Wanna fight? Nå, lige kæft, mand. Ej, kæft, vi optager, mand.
I'd be dead if not for Big Knock. Took me in and helped me turn my life around.
My brother Procus is a better talker than me. He should be around someplace.
Hænger fast.
Thinking I need to train some more.
Kæft.
I had a bad time a few years back. Big Knock. He wouldn't let me stay in.
Du er lidt i vejen. Vil du være sød og flytte dig?
Huh?
Tak. Okay, jeg stopper her. Det er en lidt kort en, men jeg har mange ting at se til, så vi ses.